Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, S&B Diaries. Currently today in the city of Lichfield, which is situated in the borough of Staffordshire. So currently standing in Market Street, situated in the city of Lichfield in the county of Staffordshire. Believed to have got its name from letocetum, a Roman settlement that was nearby. Lichfield today has over 230 preserved buildings that make this city traditional haven amongst the modern urban landscape of the West Midlands. Some other things to do here in Lichfield include a beacon park, the old guild hall and prison cells, the Stowe Pool and the toy museum, which is currently situated in Market Street above a jewellery shop.
That's cute, isn't it?
It's a Lambretta from 1967.
Huh? Yeah.
It's an original one. Currently standing in front of this old building. It's got some really unique features to it. It has housed underneath it in these arches some independent little shops. We have the cheese cabin, French and English cheeses, and lots of other little shops as you go around. It's an artisan cheese shop, English and French.
Do you want to get something? Wait. Huh? You want something, Rachel? Oh, that's vegetables and...
Okay, that way.
You want that? Do you want something? While we are here? Huh? Are you sure?
We're okay.
What?
We're okay, thank you.
Yeah, it's a big one. Yeah. Yeah.
I think it's the...
Yeah, I'll get in contact.
Huh? Oh. Look on here.
1970s table here.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I need.
There's an old railway lantern in the window. Used to have on the railway lines. Oil.
Where? What's this?
Antique shop.
Antique shop. I'll have a look in a minute. We are in the antique shop, looking for anything. It's quite a big shop.
Nice old sign here outside this little antique shop that we've just been inside, and Beth's just bought a watch. Antiques and collectibles. Emporium. Had all sorts inside. Little doorway here. Got a little stone plaque on top of it. This very old black and white building. Have a little doorway there. And here's Beth and Rachel just coming out the shop.
What?
All the retro vintage clothing back in fashion now.
Oh, is it?
Look, all the tie-dyes back in as well.
Oh.
People are recreating.
Yes, hold this one. I'm going up inside. Oh, it's
People
all...
have been recreating the old style. Now Beth's just gone in the shop to show you what's in the window. An array of different stuff. There's a view just down the way that we just come. Damon Oliver's. That's where they are now. They're close. Not being through to public fare. No wagons, carts or cattle allowed to pass through by the order of the Dean, it says. So we're currently heading up towards Lichfield's Gothic Cathedral. Very ornate, and it took over 150 years to build. That's the front entrance to the Gothic Cathedral here in Lichfield. Huge stone columns to support the roof. You can understand why it took so long to build. The stonemasons must have taken ages to do all the stone carvings. This is a wrought iron staircase going up to the rostrum, or where they would have given speeches, coming towards the centre now, which has got the shop in it at the moment. Wonderful ceiling. Currently have some sort of scientific exhibition going on here with the blue lights, but the attention to detail is quite incredible. Look at this floor tiles here. Inside where the choir would have sat, where they sit to sing. Looking now down the other end of the cathedral. It's a wooden replica of the cathedral with 3 spires. Stone idol there. Depicting the sleeping children. Carved in marble. And above them they have this plinth with a stained glass window. It says 1803. We've just walked through the main gate here in Lichfield to the entrance to Beacon Park. There are wonderful flower beds they have here and a couple of statues, and we're just heading into Beacon Park. Beautiful little fountain here in the middle. A little map and information on Beacon Park. It's going to start raining. We have to go. We're just standing outside the Fuse Festival, Music and Arts in Beacon Park in Lichfield. The old rain clouds are rolling in and it's just started drizzling. Well, I hope you enjoyed your little tour of Lichfield today. We've only touched a little part of it, but it just gives you a little bit of an insight, and we're just finishing up here in the beautiful flower beds of Beacon Park. So that's bye from S&B Diaries for now. Thank you for watching.